Hey! Are you ready to become a successful YouTuber in 2023? With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the perfect platform to showcase your talents and build a community of loyal followers. But where do you begin? Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to becoming a successful YouTuber is to choose a niche. This is the topic or area of interest that you will be creating content around. It could be anything from beauty and fashion, to gaming, cooking, or travel. Choose something that you are passionate about and that you can consistently create content for. Step 2. Create a consistent brand. Once you have chosen your niche, it's important to create a consistent brand. This includes your channel name, profile picture, and banner. Your brand should be consistent with the type of content you will be creating and should be easily recognizable. Step 3. Create high-quality content. The most important aspect of becoming a successful YouTuber is creating high-quality content. This means investing in good equipment, such as a camera and microphone, and taking the time to edit your videos. It's also important to create content that is engaging and relevant to your audience. Step 4. Optimize your videos for SEO. Once you have created high-quality content, it's important to optimize your videos for SEO. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos show up in search results and increase your visibility on the platform. Step 5. Build a community. Building a community is essential for becoming a successful YouTuber. This means engaging with your audience through comments, social media, and live streams. It's also important to collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach new audiences and build a network of support. Remember, becoming a successful YouTuber takes time and hard work. But by following these steps and staying consistent, you can build a loyal following and turn your passion into a career. Start creating today. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thank you again.